To install custom scenery on RCT3, please follow these instructions. Download custom scenery in the Atari community. Once you find one you like, click the download link provided. Download it to somewhere you can remember it, such as My Documents. Right-click on the file, point to open with, then select Compressed Folders. Then click Extract All Files. Click Next. Then click Browse, and navigate to the following directory. Then click OK. Then click Next. You have now completed the installation. Once you open RCT3, if you installed the custom scenery correctly, it should be available under Scenery Objects. However, sometimes you may find objects in the Walls section. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions, please post it as a comment.